Today I will tell you about 3 settings that you must need to turn off if you have updated your iPhone to iOS 18. That's quite simple, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, open up the settings of your iPhone. You'll have to scroll down all the way until you find privacy and security. You'll have to tap on it. Then scroll down to the bottom and you'll have to tap on analytics and improvements. Now, some of these options may be turned on and you'll have to turn them off. You may have previously turned them on or turned them off, but after you have updated your iPhone, they may have been turned on automatically and it will help you a lot to improve your battery life. So I recommend you to turn them off. Then you'll have to go back and you'll have to scroll up and you'll have to tap on location services and you'll have to turn location services off. Uh, Basically it also helps you to improve your battery life. If you want to turn them on, you can simply select an individual application for which you want to turn on your location services, but I personally turn it off. Now go back again, and then you'll have to look for you'll have to tap on किधर गया है कौन सा था यार ऑप्शन कर लूंगा एडिट भूल
If
ही
you've
जाता है यार
upgraded to iPhone, the second thing we will try to have a bunch of recently, not necessarily again, and we're going to choose background app.
Now you'll have to tap on general and you'll have to scroll down a bit and you'll have to tap on background app refresh and make sure that it is turned off. Basically, it drains a lot of battery when you're using your iPhone, and it may be turned on automatically after you have updated your iPhone to iOS 18. So make sure to turn it off. So these were the 3 settings that you must turn off if you have updated your iPhone to the latest iOS 18. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button